Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you guys can buy a Walmart's e-gift card. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on to our channel and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So to buy Walmart gift card online, we need to go to Walmart's website. So for that, go to your browser and type walmart.com and then press enter. Then it's gonna take you to this website. Now if you haven't logged into your account, you should log into your account because I have already logged in. So this is my account. So if you guys haven't logged in, you can just click on account and log into your account. And then after logging into your account, you can come to your website and on the search bar type for Walmart e-gift card and search for it. After searching for Walmart e-gift card, there are a lot of gift card. You can choose whichever gift card you want to buy, but the one which we are looking for right now is this one, basic blue Walmart gift card. You can click on it and you can click on how many gift cards you want, like the amount of gift cards you want. It's a $10 gift card. So like if I buy two, it's going to be $20, three, it's going to be $30. So let's go for one right now. And you can click on add to cart and it's going to take you to this page. Now over here, you can click on checkout. Now it says it's going to arrive by Tuesday, April 20 and the delivery charge is free. So you can click and continue. And over here, you can enter all your information like your first name, your street address, your last name, phone number, your city name. And after entering all this, you can click and continue. Then it's gonna ask for your card detail, your credit card details. After this, it's gonna ask you for a payment detail and you can fill it correctly and then click on checkout button. And if you filled all your information correctly, then you should be able to check out. You should be able to check out with your card. So that's basically how you buy a Walmart gift card. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.